Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. This is Engineer Masood Afsarkani, and today we have the technical session number 43. Our subject is HDPE pipes and fittings. So, before going ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe, like it, press the bell icon in order to reach the next video with easy access. So, let us go to the subject. The HDPE pipes is very familiar in the civil construction material is simply pipes made of polyurethane material. This material gives a piece some special feature with the create benefit, and these advantages have led to the popularity is the polythene pipes. So polythene pipes, HDP high density polyethylene pipes. This is built from external dia and at the internal dia. These pipes have the wall thickness of the different classes, and also there is SDR value, which is outer dia of the pipe divide the thickness, wall thickness, and then it will be the SDR. So different SDR pipes like SDR 11 recommended for water line, SDR 14 for the pressure line, and these are the jointed by the butt field electro welding and also coupling, special coupling also. It can be joined at special areas where it is required by electrofuel coupling. This coupling have the copper wire built inside and connected to the direct electricity, and it will melt, and it will be at one body after the completion. Because this pipe sustain up to the 80 degrees centigrade, and also this is feasible for high temperature areas like the Gulf and Middle East, and also it is cold for the other. Also, it start from zero to the and the maximum dia of these pipes is 900, because if the dia is increased, then the overlay issue is also increased, and these pipes are very feasible for the water lines and also. So HDP pipes are the many advantages: high quality, reliability of the pipes, fitting, easy to loading and transportation of pipes and fittings of polythene sheet, polythene, polyethylene due to their relative low weight, quick and easy installation, and made polyethylene types of best choice of the various projects. The polyethylene pipes also have a good bending radius and having the good resistance to impact, and the pressure is very low, temperature acidic, and the basic environment as well as many isolation, and the chemical do not affect on the polyethylene pipes. So this is one of the most important advantage of the polyethylene pipes and the polyethylene fitting also. So polyethylene material used to produce the polyethylene pipes and the different types of the polyethylene materials used produce other polyethylene products. Polyethylene is available in various grades, and each of these polyethylene materials used for the various application. So what are the features of these pipes? The pipes and the fitting have the low weight, and the other types of the pipes which are steel, and the other concrete pipes which are made by easy and to carry as the loads and the install. So this is the extruded pipe, put the materials of the granules, and then it will go to the uh, extruded tubes, and end of the extruded, it is coming out in the form of the pipes. Uh, The impact resistance, externally high resistance of the polyethylene pipes is due to eliminate the needs of the higher pipes pressure and the polyethylene fittings and the purchase of the anti-shock equipments. So this feature makes the implementation is very easy and sharply reduce the cost of the implementation in large industrial projects where the minimizing waste is to be zero. This can be very good reason replacing the pipe with the polyethylene fitting where the variety of the steel pipes are used. Because polyethylene pipes are non-corrosion resistance between the PE and the other material has shown the pipes and the fittings of the polyethylene are higher resistance against the erosion, which makes the perfect choice of the transforming fluid and the non-soluble solids plus the safe from the harms of the rodents due to the high rigidity of their surface. In addition, rodents cannot damage the polyethylene pipes and the fittings because the already high level of polyethylene pipes and the fittings can exclude many damages from the rodents. So chemical resistance, it is the advantage of the polyethylene pipes and the fittings that they are not affected by the acidic and the basic chemical environments. We can also complete this list non-effective chemicals and the polyethylene and pipes and the fittings. So high flow rate, it is polyethylene pipes and the fittings have the very high roughness. Therefore, fluids can be rapidly flow into the pipes due to the roughness of the coefficient of 0.007. So easy connecting HDPE pipes are presented in both shapes of the coil and the uh, pipes. Polyethylene coils pipes, which leads cost saving available in different sizes, benches of the polyethylene pipes connected with each other by different ways. Polyethylene provides the vast range of the fittings connection and it is connected by the butt fuel welding by temperature with a hydraulic press with a special machine to connect these pipes. And during the connection, when the joints are making the traceability of the uh, uh, marking codes and labeling is recorded and monitored by the software control. So flexibility is the suitable benching radius. These pipes are easily installed. Polyethylene pipes are required the very sophisticated technology in order to make the traceability and the joints and the leakage of the joints and the performance of the joints. This can be monitored by the closed quality control procedure. Various polyethylene fittings pipelines require polyethylene fittings connection different projects which were according to the project strategy and the dimension of size and the welding and the usage like sewerage, chemicals, oil, water, pressure, whatsoever it is. So polyethylene pipes are having a most common property where if it is laid on the sea, the water level, on the top level, it will be welded and water cannot be go inside. Water cannot penetrate inside and also it is very successful over the water layer from one point to the another point, whatever the distance is covered, it is covered by the pipes and there will be no failures occurs. The corrugated polyethylene pipes also used according to the area strategy and this is also covered the various requirements where these pipes are required. And spiral polyethylene pipes also, it has the property according to the corrugated and the spiral pipes working wherever it is required. It can be made and it can be applied by the uh, with the help of the approved method statement. Application of the polyethylene pipes also, it is externally high due to the many advantages, very sophisticated quality control and its composition and the testing performance. The polyethylene pipes are very suitable for different types of the applications. So application of the polyethylene pipe is extremely high due to their many advantages as we discuss. This is the floating situation, buried situation, and also over the ground and the below the ground, and transported to the drinking water, and even in the air distance from some points. It's also, it can be by the smaller layer, it can be transported to the water from one point to the other points. So I use mostly usage of this polyethylene pipes, urban and rural water supply network, urban and rural sewerage network, gas supply network, drainage network, liquid and the sewerage network, irrigation system network, movable irrigation system network, covering telecommunication cables and the other fiber optics, covering power cables, covering metal pipes, covering the ventilation ducts, dredging system, transfer of chemical fluids and industrial products according to the standard. So grade of the polyethylene materials, uh, these pipes have the PE100 material compared with the other pipes can be summarized. Better the higher output and the lower production cost, better flexibility, screwing, maintenance, installation, and in accordance to ISO 13469 pipes. So high resistance and the low cracks, high product safety, and the high resistance of the rapid crack growth test in accordance to the ISO 13469 version 1996. So high hydrostatic resistance and the PE100, PE80 according to the ISO 1167. So polyethylene pipes, high density polyethylene pipes HDPE are very common to replace the other pipes which have the maintenance difficulties and the installation difficulties. So these pipes are better than the so many other technical deficiencies in order to cover the quality control and the cost of the cost impact and the time consuming. So this is the briefing about the HDPE pipes. So we will discuss next time with another subject. So hopefully we will see each other, and I would like to say thank you for everybody, and have a nice day.